it's gotten considerably worse. Turned to real snow now. No more dipping dots. Cattle are hunkered down. It's going to start blowing now. Visibility will start to diminish. Once the snow piles up about 3 or 4 inches, you won't be able to see much. Fortunately, if I go out of the house and walk north, I run into sheds, and if I walk south, I run into a fence. So it's hard to get lost in this yard. Although there have been times we had to tie a rope from the house to the barn. It's pretty rough on the other side of them trees. Cows are hunkered down, living large. I ain't going over there. You can hear it probably. There was lightning earlier, a lot of lightning, sharp lightning and thunder. That was kind of weird. It'd be something to get struck by lightning in this blizzard, wouldn't it? But my luck.